Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. As I Snow, we have this box right here of Futera Unique World Football 2023. We have just a display case. There's 4 boxes within it. It's a limited release. You can see all the stuff there. We get 4 packs. Features at least 1 insert from the following types: on-card signed autograph, 1/1 memorabilia card, 23 karat gold-plated frame card, 1/1 cut autograph, and gold-plated frame. Pack includes an autograph or a rare One pack includes an autograph or a rare memorabilia card, or a 23 karat gold-plated frame card, or a 1/1 card plus 1 parallel base card, plus up to 5 quality base set cards. So on-card autographs, game-used memorabilia, 23 karat gold-plated frame cards. So this box right here, it'll run you about $356. Well, they sold out, of course, now. We do have a little crease in the corner here, unfortunate, but honestly, I might have done that. I don't think so, though. It was packaged very well, so there's that. That's good to see. I do want to, let me fix this. I just realized something. That we are squared off. Instead of being like full screen. I'm not too worried about it. It'll be alright. But yeah. We will go ahead and open this bad boy on up. Looking forward to this. Pre-ordered it a while ago. It finally came in. I love Futera products. I'm a huge fan of them. I feel like their quality. Leaf is another good one. Cheaper in products a lot of the times, but still very, very nice. I like this display box as well. Voila. There we go. And now we're just going to go ahead and open this up like this. Slides right up. Look at that. And then these all pull off with this right here. So I'll just pull them all out first. So now what's cool about the box, I'll get this slip out. Store your top loaders. Remove this tray to store your cards. Enjoy. Gwyneth Glasgow-Dean, CEO of Futera. So, that tray. There we go. We have a box to store cards. Hopefully we'll touch there. There's actual good uses with the box still. Now I'll set that to the side. Put this in there too. Why not? Okay. And yeah, this lovely crease here. I'll reopen it. Part of the box. Yeah. I like the box. The box on its own is cool enough. But we are going to go ahead and open up all of these. At least get the plastic sleeve off of all of them. I haven't looked at the checklist. I've seen some of the cards. 6 candy memorabilia cards. The autographs have been a bit dead, to be honest, from what I've seen. Like I said, I haven't seen the checklist, so there's that. However, we will go ahead and get into the first one. Excuse my hands being all calloused up from work. And they're clean. They just, you know how to be. But yeah, first box. Do you see any gold plated? No gold-plated cards in this first one. Alright, dang. So no Kareem Adeyemi's the last card there. But Upamecano, defender. Quality of these are so good as well. Young Min Sun. Ooh. 27 out of 62. And then bang. Prestige, Oscar. It's nice. Brazil. That's 1/1. Holy, we just got a 1/1. Oh my gosh. card captures a time in Oscar's football history featuring a piece of his Chelsea away game worn jersey from the Premier League match versus Everton at Goodison Park on the 30th December of 2012. 1 of 1, ladies and gents. Wait a minute. We'll set this to the side for right now. We do need to sleeve that bad boy up. Well, that's a good first pack. Oscar. 1 of 1. Man. That's sick. I don't know if I even have a towel or that. Let's set it up there for now. Jules Koundé. There's the great Diego Maradona. Bruno Fernandes. And a Karim Adeyemi. Are you born in Munich? I didn't know that. It's nice to get a 1 of 1 though. What's up, Dakota? What's up, babe? A 1 of 1 Oscar. There we go. Slide that bad boy on in there. I need to get this in a mag lock. I'm gonna have to pick up a mag lock. And bang. There we have it. An Oscar, 1 of 1. Put that on up there. That's 1 box down. On to the next. Will we see gold carat or gold framed in this? We do not. That's fine. See Taylor Hernandez on the back. This last one. The last one slid right off. This one ain't. Okay, so let's see. Okay, there we go. Now it's sleeved. Alright. Heritage Pedri. Numbered, right? 10 of 40. Teo Hernandez. Declan Rice. 39 out of 62. Ederson. The great Romario. Lautaro Martinez. Oh, shoot. Sorry, I don't know. Or it's Jack Grealish, and then bang. Ooh, and Andrea Pirlo. Okay, game used memorabilia. Andrea Pirlo. 28 out of 45. This card captures the time in Andrea Pirlo's football history, featuring a piece of his New York City game-worn jersey from an MLS match in the 2015 season. Vamos. That's sick. Let's set that right here for now. The sleeves they put the cards in, cut to reduce damages, I suppose. Maybe it's when they sort it. There is some damage to the card. I don't know if you can see that up there on the top corner. Game used memorabilia though. I love that. Now, what are those top loaders that I just used? Is this it? Yeah. Oh. Thick. Thick boys. And that just cut off. Hey, let's get this Oscar in the shot. Somewhat, you know. And we'll set the 28 out of 45 Pirlo right next to him. We got this. So we'll just throw that out. We don't need that. Alright, next box. There's been 6 so far. Any gold? No gold carat frame card in this box. Ooh, and that for the 14. Henrik. Okay. And wait a minute. Oh, there's the thick card. Okay. So do this. Not very good at this, guys. Sorry. Virgil van Dijk. Base. Yao Felix. Base. Neymar. Base. Ooh. A next Giovanni Reina. A nice looking card. Great product. The Greats, Luis Figo. Emerick Laporte. 12 of 32. Antonio Rudiger. And then, oh my gosh. Rudiger 629. That is such a beautiful card. Look at that. Game used memorabilia. Olivier Giroud and Ousmane Dembele. This card features a piece of Olivier Giroud's Arsenal training worn shorts from the 2014/15 season and a piece of Ousmane Dembele's Barcelona away game jersey from a Champions League match in the 2018/19 season. Wait, is that part of the crest? That's the Barca crest. Dude, that is sick. Let's go and get this. That's such a beautiful card. Let's go and get this in a sleeve and a top loader. What a lovely product. What a lovely product. Pretty sure that Oscar is my first ever 1/1 as well. By the way. Giroud. And Dembele too. I'm a huge Giroud fan. We'll look up some stuff afterwards, but what a beauty of a card. We're coming down the last box though. I enjoyed this a lot. Okay. And gold. So we don't end up with any gold. That's fine. We got a 1/1, so I'm okay with that. Gold's cool though, ain't it? Have another card in the sleeve. And let's do one more. Yeah. What a beautiful jersey, by the way. A lot of people may disagree, but I like this template for some of the teams. But forward, Darwin Nunez. Base, the Greats, Paolo Maldini. Ooh, this one is numbered. 47 of 69. Midfielder, Joshua Kimmich. Defender, David Alaba. A couple of Bayern boys. Well, former Bayern boy. The Greats, Dennis Bergkamp. Eduardo Camavinga. And then game use Kalidou Koulibaly. Glory. So 2 of 20. This card captures the time Kalidou Koulibaly's football history, featuring a piece of his Napoli away game worn jersey from a Serie A match in 2018/19 season. So it's still pretty cool. Probably my least favorite hit out of all of the hits, but not bad. Not bad at all. We'll go ahead and put this in the top loader. Okay. So, all these base cards. Ain't too worried about. We're out of base. Let's go on again. We didn't have anything too low numbered though. To sort them out. By numbered cards and non-numbered cards. 69. 29. 32. It's weird numbering. Wish the Reina was numbered. They're such good card stock too. Oh my gosh. Well, didn't really crease the corner, even though I did put a hole in my leg, kind of. I should have done it this way, right? That would make more sense. Okay. So there we have it. It's a lovely break. I mean, a 101 is sick. So we have Maldini, 47 out of 69. Midfielder, Declan Rice, 39 out of 62. Son, 27 out of 62. Pedri, 10 out of 40. Laporte, 12 out of 32. Antonio Rudiger, 6 out of 29. On to the hits. We have Glory Kalidou Koulibaly, game used Napoli away shirt, 2 of 20. Andrea Pirlo, 28 out of 45. Game used. Again, worn jersey. MLS Map 2015 season. Nations, Giroud and Dembele, with Giroud's training worn shorts from 2014 season with Arsenal, and Ousmane Dembele's Barcelona away game jersey from Champions League match in 2018/19 season. 3 of 10. And bang. 1-1. Oscar, game used memorabilia. Chelsea away game worn jersey from the Premier League match. I do want to look something up real quick. Chelsea versus Everton, December 30th, 2012. The Oscar score. Lampard scored both goals. Just trying to figure out what this is from. December 30th. Game worn away jersey. Is it the Premier League badge? It has to be, don't it? I mean, it's a felt material. It's his number. I'm stupid. That's his number. They use felt number. I mean, I'm dumb. I'm the jersey guy. I should know this. But think about it.